Hello guys, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever saved your card details in Chrome because it was faster than typing everything again? Maybe your credit card, debit card, home address, or phone number. Most people have. The problem is that very few people realize how much personal information Chrome may be storing on their phone right now. And if someone gets access to your device even for a minute, some of that information could be much easier to access than you think. I'm not talking about a sophisticated hacker sitting behind a computer. I'm talking about settings that are enabled by default and quietly store sensitive information to make online shopping and browsing more convenient. The scary part is that most users never check these settings. They simply trust the defaults and assume everything is secure. In this video, I'll show you 3 Chrome settings that you should review right now if you care about your privacy, your payment information, and your online security. So grab your phone, open Google Chrome, and let's lock these settings down together. Now that you're in Chrome, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Then scroll down, and the first thing we need to check is under Payment Methods. Tap on it, and you'll see a few options related to saved payment information. The setting I want you to look at first is Save Security Codes. Most people don't pay much attention to this, but that 3-digit security code on the back of your card exists for a reason. It's meant to be an extra layer of protection that proves you actually have the card with you when making a purchase. However, if Chrome is saving those security codes automatically, anyone who gains access to your phone could potentially use that information to make purchases much more easily. For convenience, this feature can be useful, but from a security standpoint, it's something I personally recommend turning off. So if it's enabled on your phone, go ahead and disable it. Next, stay on the same screen because there's another setting that's just as important. Look for an option called Verify its U to autofill payment methods. If this feature is available on your device, make sure it's turned on. What this does is require your fingerprint, face unlock, or another form of verification before Chrome automatically fills in your payment information. Think about it this way. We leave our phones on desks, restaurant tables, office counters, and sometimes even hand them to friends or family members for a moment. With this setting enabled, even if someone has access to your unlocked phone, they won't be able to autofill your payment details without verifying it's really you. Now let's move on to the third setting. Go back to the main Chrome settings page and tap on Addresses and More. This is where Chrome stores information like your home address, delivery address, phone number, and other personal details to help fill out forms automatically. While autofill can save time, it also means your personal information is stored and ready to be inserted into websites whenever needed. If privacy is important to you, consider turning this feature off. Yes, you'll have to type your address manually when placing orders online, but for many people, that's a small trade-off for having greater control over their personal information. These 3 changes take less than 2 minutes, but they can make a noticeable difference when it comes to protecting your privacy and payment information. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and share it with someone who regularly shops online using their phone. There's a good chance they don't even know these settings exist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.